Hello friends, I am Bhavna Chawla. Welcome to Smart Horizon. In this video, we will learn how to mix Rangoli colors or any sand colors. There are two ways of doing it. First is mix 2 to 3 colors in a bowl or a cap and then pouring it on a paper. Next is pour one color and the second color, and in the middle we will try to blend those colors. For this, I am using a rough sheet or rough canvas for practicing it, a brush, a pen or a pencil to draw, Fevicol for sticking my sand to the canvas. These are the colors, these are the sand colors that I am using. We call it Rangoli colors. We make Rangoli from these colors. There are 5 different shades that I have. And a paper from which we will make a cone. Sellotape. For making a cone, first we will place the paper on the surface. Make a roll. I'll put these 2 fingers like this and start rolling it. With the help of the other hand, I am supporting it. Like this. This is a cone. We'll do it again. I'll start making this cone like this. I will put these 2 fingers like this and start rolling the paper. Make sure you have a hole here so that our sand comes out from this. We'll take a sellotape and fix it. We'll use sellotape to combine the edges so that it will not get open. Like this. You can use this cone or any other tool, or you can simply use your hands to pour sand on a surface. This is up to you. I'm just making 2 leaves to show you 2 different ways of mixing Rangoli colors. You can simply draw any design you want to, as we will only learn how to mix the colors in this video. Then we will mix, as I said, our first point is to mix 2 or 3 colors and use it on a surface. This is orange, neon orange, and this is pink. We call it neon pink. I'll take small amount of pink and a small amount of orange, and we will mix it. If I want, I can mix the third color. As I want a lighter shade, I'll use white here. I am using brush to clean the surface if my sand pours. Then we'll use Fevicol, and we will be needing a thick layer of the Fevicol. You can use any gum, any resin gum for this purpose. Make sure all the area must be covered with the gum so that our sand sticks to it properly. what I'll do is I can take small amount of sand and pour it on the surface like this, or I can use this cap and tap it, or I can use my cone. And start tapping. If you find it difficult, if our sand is not coming out, you can make a bigger hole. Look at this. This is the fastest way of pouring sand. After this, we will clear the extra particles of the sand from the surface, and slightly tapping it makes it easy for the sand to stick to the surface. This is the first way of doing this. I had mixed orange with pink and some white. This is the shade that I am getting. Not pure orange, not pure pink, not pure white. As I said, the second thing is pouring one color and the other and blending it in between. Make sure to cap the colors as it can. Okay. Now I am taking these three colors. The same thing, I am pouring Fevicol, or as I said, you can use any resin gum for doing this. I'll start pouring blue color. I'm not using cone here. I'm using my hand only because I want little sand. I don't want it to flow. Okay. Then I'll use some green, neon green. If you want, you can use white too. A little bit of white makes it easy. A little bit of white makes it easy to blend the colors. As you know, blending takes much effort if you using any type of color. This is the way of blending two colors. At one end we will have blue color, at the other we will have neon green, but in the middle it looks like these colors are blending. We have some of the green and some of the blue. So this is the second way of mixing sand colors. Hope you like the video. Thank you.